Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit page templates in Shopify, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm in my dashboard, and what you're going to do from here is go on and click on Online Store. This will take you to themes, and if you want to change templates in regards to code, you can go click the three dots, click Edit Code, and that's going to open up this page, which looks like this. Just give it some time to load. Exactly looks like this, and you can go ahead and modify the templates and their code. Now, if you want to edit them a bit differently, you can go here and click on pages, and that will bring up the page templates that you have. For example, as you can see, I have a contact template, which I can then use. I could also add a page, and that would also be used. However, that's more like just the default page and not a template. But if you go to your theme and go to customize, you could also go ahead and, for example, if I have a product, I could go to the default product template and just modify it from here by making the necessary changes. And that is basically all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.